cases in Missouri that was in the past.
Okay. So I see that your petition, and specifically your sworn statements to the court, on page 2 of your application or petition, paragraph number 5, quote, "I have never been convicted of a felony," end quote.
Yeah, it's one of those things where yeah, I haven't, like, it's one of the things where if it's not on your record, do I say this is on my record, like if it's not on there or not. So that's why you asking me, have I ever, that's a whole different thing.
Well, that's exactly what you said. That's exactly what you avowed to on May 19, 2026 in your statements to the court. Paragraph number 5, quote, "I have never been convicted of a felony," end quote. So which is it?
So I have, but if it's not on your record, you still just say that? Like, is it something still that hangs over my head for my? Oh, I'm asking. Is it something that just hangs over my head, like even if it's not?
I'm happy to step in here. Yeah, Missouri did expunge somewhere in the ballpark of 150,000 of these records. Once a record is expunged, it no longer counts as a conviction. And so under that logic, he does not have a conviction, as Missouri does not consider that there was a case against Mr. Honkamp at this point in their records.
Well, I'm not familiar with Missouri law. So, Mr. Page, are you avowing to an officer of the Arizona court that whatever he was convicted of has been expunged and no longer counts as a conviction?
Yes.
Okay. And Mr. Honkamp, sorry about getting into this, but I do need to make sure that I do my job properly. So is that your understanding as well, that what Mr. Page just said?
100%. Sorry if I didn't word it the way he did, but yeah, 100% exactly what I was trying to explain.
So you have been convicted, but it was expunged and does not count as a conviction under Missouri law.
Correct.
Is that the only felony that may or may not have been you've ever been convicted of?
Yes, 100%.
Okay. All right. Are there any felony or theft charges pending against you?
Definitely not. None. Zero.
Are you changing your name solely for the purpose of committing any crime?
No.
And you are married to, please forgive me if I mispronounce this, Laquise?
Yes, Laquise Honkamp. She's in the other room.
All right.
You actually said it perfect.
All right. Well, now I'm sort of second guess myself. So, but nevertheless, I see that she has filed a marital consent and waiver on your name change.
Yes.
All right. Do you have any minor age children?
No.
Do you understand that this name change will not release you from any debts or other legal obligations you may owe?
100%.
All right. So why are we seeking to change your name?
A couple reasons, but the most reason is my son has the exact same name, and me doing senior and things like that didn't distinguish anything as far as me getting his ID, getting his mail. And in the past there was things with his mother using his name, so I just wanted to clearly distinguish my name from his, which his name is Todd Lee Honkamp Jr., but the junior clearly doesn't distinguish me from being the father. So there's a lot of extra confusion and time that goes into that just because of that little difference. And on the side note, I actually got the approval from my mom as well, who gave me the name Todd Honkamp. She also said it's okay.
Okay. Well, I'm glad mom said okay. So, and you're also not seeking to amend your Missouri birth certificate with this name change, correct?
Correct.
As we sit here at this very moment, your current legal name is Todd Lee Honkamp?
Yes.
You're seeking to change it to Sledge Lee Honkamp?
Correct.
Counsel, anything to supplement?
No, Your Honor.
Well, based upon everything before me, like the application, supporting documentation, your under oath statements, thank you for your honesty in clarifying the felony issue. I'm bearing the lead. I'm granting your name change, so congratulations to Sledge Lee Honkamp.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Any questions for me?
No. Thanks for your time. Thanks for both of you guys' time.
All right, well, if there's nothing else, then this matter is adjourned. Have a good rest of your day, okay?
You guys too. Thank you.
All right, next matter, do we have Robin Barrett with Landon Kittrell? Are you guys
Right
here?
here, Your Honor. We're here. Thank you.
Alright. And is Landon there as well?
He is. Landon, you want to unmute
Oh, there you
yourself
go.
and say hello?
Hello.
Hello, I'm going to go ahead and call the matter. This time set for in the matter of Landon David Kittrell, case number CV 2026-021774. Can I get introductions beginning with counsel?
Yes. Good afternoon, Your Honor. Robin Barrett on behalf of Landon David Cottrell. He's present on Teams.
All right, good afternoon. And Mr. Landon David Kittrell, can I get you to introduce by saying your current legal name, please?
Yes, my name is Landon David Cottrell.
All right. Well, good afternoon. Counsel, would you like me to do the question or would you like to?
Your Honor, you're so good at it. I'm going to let you continue.
Well, thank you. I don't know about being good at it, but I've done this a time or two. So, all right. So Landon, I'm going to ask you some questions, okay?
Okay.
All right. So you and your attorney have filed an application to change your name. Is that correct?
Yes,
Everything in the application true and correct to the best of your knowledge, information, and belief?
yes,
Do you reside in Maricopa County, Arizona?
yes,
Have you ever been convicted of a felony?
no,
Are there any felony or theft charges pending against you?
no,
Are you changing your name solely for the purpose of committing any crime?
no,
Are you married?
no,
Do you have any minor aged children?
no,
Do you understand that this name change will not release you from any debts or other legal obligations you may owe?
yes.
So why are we seeking to change your name?
I have cut contact with my father and I do not wish to carry his last name. Instead, I'd rather carry the last name of Strang, which is because those are the people who have supported me my whole life.
And you're seeking to amend your birth certificate with this name change, correct?
Yes,
As we sit here at this very moment, your current legal name is Landon David Cottrell, is that correct?
yes,
You're seeking to change it to Landon David Strang?
yes.
Counsel, anything to supplement?
No, Your Honor, you got it all. Thank you.
All right, well, if there's nothing else, then based upon everything before me, like the application, your supporting documentation, and your under oath statements, the court finds good cause and will grant the application. So congratulations to you, Landon
Thank you.
David
Thank you.
Strang. I kind of drew that out one. Any questions for me,
Thank you.
Mr. Strang,
No.
counsel?
No, Your Honor. Thank you so much. And this has been a pleasure. You should come over to family court sometime.
You know,
Thank
I'm
you,
not
Your
gonna, I'm sure my time will come for rotations, but for right now, I'm happy on my civil assignment. I'm definitely not gonna say anything else to get myself into trouble. Well, guys, thank you
Thank you.
thank
It's
you
been a
so
pleasure.
much. If there's nothing else, your matter is adjourned. Stick around and watch the fun or disconnect, get on with your day. It's your guys' call, okay?
Thank you,
Thank
Your
you,
Honor.
Your Honor.
All right, do we have Stephanie Smith with us?
Yes. Hi, Your Honor.
Hi, gonna go ahead and call your matter. This is the time set for in the matter of Stephanie Smith, case number CB 2026-014867. Can I get you to introduce yourself by saying your current legal name, please?
Stephanie Wendell, I believe, although there's some confusion.
And you filed an application to change your name, is that correct?
Yes.
Everything in the application is true and correct to the best of your knowledge, information, and belief?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you reside in Maricopa County, Arizona?
I do.
All right, let me ask that question again because some of the supporting documentation provided was a Utah driver's license. So I want to make sure that you are a current resident of Maricopa County, Arizona, and that you intend to continue living here in the county. Is that correct?
Yes.
When did you move to the county, Maricopa County?
Last November?
Okay, so November of 2025,
Yes.
and you just haven't gotten an Arizona driver's license yet?
Not yet.
Okay. Have you ever been convicted of a felony?
I have not. No.
Are there any felony or theft charges pending against you?
No.
Are you changing your name solely for the purpose of committing any crime?
No.
You know that I always get like a chuckle sometimes, but you know that believe it or not, that question I do have to ask that question based upon the statute. So, are you married?
I am divorced.
Well, divorced people can get married. So, are you married?
No.
All right. Do you have any minor age children?
No.
Do you understand that this name change will not release you from any debts or other legal obligations you may owe?
I do.
So as we sit here right now, your current legal name is Stephanie Windle. Is that correct?
Yes.
You're seeking to change it to Stephanie Windle Smith?
Yes.
All right, so let me ask you this question. Why? Why are we seeking to do this?
Well, Your Honor, I'm doing it to honor my parents, my lineage, and I would like it in Stephanie Wendell as the way that the name that they gave me, and then my children have the name Smith. So that's why I want to change it to Wendell-Smith to honor both the lineage before and going forward.
Okay. And you're seeking to amend your birth certificate with this name change, correct?
I would like to, yes, please.
Okay. Well, I think I have that power. So based upon everything before me, like your application, your supporting documentation, and your under oath statements, the court finds good cause and will grant the application. So congratulations to you, Stephanie Windle Smith.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. Do you have any questions for me?
Yes, may I get 2 copies and may I get both of them exemplified, please?
Well, that's going to be between you and the clerk of court. You're going to, so wait about 1 to 2 weeks. I can't, believe it or not, the clerk of court is kind of a separate entity between the Superior Court, me, and the clerk of court. So, yeah, so just wait about 1 to 2 weeks when the order will be processed and ready, and then you can request one either from the website, the clerk of court website, or you can come in person and ask for it to be certified or exemplified.
Okay, and then I had one more question. You mentioned that the min entry would be mailed to me. Do I need to wait for that? Is that a cue that the clerk has it? So
Well,
I can then go and do that?
Yeah, the minute entry is usually when you receive the minute entry in the mail, that's usually a good sign that the order will be ready as well. But it's just kind of a rule of thumb. It's not like a hard and fast rule, okay?
Very good. Thank you.
You're welcome. Any other questions?
That's it.
All right. Well, if there's nothing else, your matter is adjourned. Have a good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you, Judge. Bye-bye.
Do we have Jorge Ruiz with us?
Yes.
All right, gonna go ahead and call your matter. This time set for in the matter of Jorge Isaias Lopez Ruiz, case number CV 2026-015273. Can I get you to introduce yourself by saying your current legal name, please?
Yes. So my current legal name is Jorge Isaias Lopez Ruiz.
All right, and you filed an application to change that name of yours, correct?
Yes, I did.
Everything in that application true and correct to the best of your knowledge, information, and belief?
Yes.
Do you reside in Maricopa County, Arizona?
Yes, I do.
Have you ever been convicted of a felony?
I have not, Your Honor.
Are there any felony or theft charges pending against you?
No, none whatsoever.
Are you changing your name solely for the purpose of committing any crime?
Absolutely not.
Are you married?
I am not married.
Do you have any minor age children?
I do not.
Do you understand that this name change will not release you from any debts or other legal obligations you may owe?
Yes, I am aware of that.
All right, so in your words, why was you to change your name?
This one is very personal to me. I believe that my first name, I've never really liked it, and I've had many people mispronounce it, and kind of get into this. It gets into such a racial bubble, and it's just something that I just want to end immediately. And second, I want to feel a bit more closer to my gender identity, and I feel like Cosmo, the one that I want to change it to, is the one for me. And I feel like it's much more easier to say, much more easier to pronounce, and just to go by. And I would just prefer that.
Okay, very neat. And you're seeking to amend your birth certificate with this name change, correct?
Yes.
So as we sit here, or it looks like you may be standing, but as I sit here at this very moment, your current legal name is Jorge Isaias Lopez Ruiz.
Yes.
You're seeking to change your name to Cosmo Isaiah Lopez Ruiz?
Yes.
Well, based upon everything before me, like your application, all that supporting documentation you provided, and your under oath statements, court finds good cause and will grant the application. So congratulations to you, Cosmo Isaiah Lopez Ruiz.
All right. Sounds good. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're very welcome. Do you have any questions for me?
I did have a couple questions. So I guess I heard it from the last hearing, but just about the requesting the court orders. I believe that you said that I can request it from the clerk of court, and you said to wait about a week or two for that to process.
Yeah, so this is your interaction with the government, so it's going to take a while for it get from my desk for me to sign it to get processed. So it usually takes about 1 to 2 weeks. That's probably an over sell, but I don't want you to have to like if you choose to come down, I don't want you to come down to wherever you're going. So usually a good rule of thumb, 1 to 2 weeks is when the order will be ready. Okay.
Okay, sounds good. And then once I get that signed order, then I bring it over to the agencies in order to modify the name. Okay. But yeah,
Well,
that should be my question.
okay. Well, I mean, I don't know what you mean by take it to the agency to modify your name, but I mean, as far as the law is concerned, as soon as I sign your order, that's your new name. That's my understanding. So if you want to, but if you need to update it with final, like get a new Arizona birth certificate with final records, you're gonna have to go to final records, and most likely, again, double check, but I think they're gonna need a copy of the court's order.
Yeah.
MVD is another big one for an updated driver's license. I don't know what MVD needs, but double check what they're gonna need. Social Security is another big one. Double check what they're gonna need. Passport's another big one. If you need to update your passport, go to the State Department. I don't know what they're going to need to, but most likely it's a copy of the court's order, I think. But again, you're dealing with a lot of different state agencies, federal government agencies. And if you're in school, I don't know what your school is going to need to, or, everyone's situation is different. So just
right. There's different groups. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. So,
But
but great question. Any other questions, Councilman?
no, that should be it, Your Honor. Thank you.
You're very welcome. If there's nothing else, your matter is adjourned, okay?
All right. Thank you so much.
Hey, do we have Brianna Simpson with us?
Hi, I'm present. My name is
Hi.
Brianna Simpson.
All right, I'm going to go ahead and call your matter. This is the time set for in the matter of Brianna Simpson, case number CB 2026-017163. Can I get you to introduce yourself by saying your current legal name, please?
My current legal name is Brianna Kenyelle Rakia Simpson.
All right. And you filed an application to change that name of yours, correct?
I did. I would like to change my last name.
All right. All the information in your application, is it true and correct to the best of your knowledge, information, and belief?
Yes, sir.
Do you reside in Maricopa County, Arizona?
I do.
Have you ever been convicted of a felony?
I have not.
Are there any felony or theft charges pending against you?
No, sir.
Are you changing your name solely for the purpose of committing any crime?
No, sir.
And you are married, is that correct?
Yes, sir, I am.
And it looks like, I think I have this right in my notes. Brianna Joelle Lovely filed a marital waiver of notice.
Yes, sir. We have the same first name.
Yeah, I was going to say it's spelled differently, but it's pronounced this very similar. I bet, well.
I've heard it all, but yes, sir.
All right. But nevertheless,
It works.
Brianna Lovely has filed a marital waiver of notice seeking no further notice or input on your name change.
That is correct.
All right. Do you have any minor age children?
No, sir.
Do you understand that this name change will not release you from any debts or other legal obligations you may owe?
Yes, sir.
All right. So, in your own words, why was you going to change your name?
To begin my own lineage, legacy. I have not had much contact with my birth father. I first met him when I was 27, and I am now 31, and their relationship is still not there. I never really had a relationship with my mother, and when I got married, we decided to create our own last name to just start new memories, start a new legacy.
That's neat. And you're seeking to amend your birth certificate with this name change, correct?
I am.
All right. As we sit here at this very moment, your current legal name is Brianna Kenyelle Rakia Simpson.
Yes, sir.
You're seeking to change it to Brianna Kenyelle Rakia Lovely.
Yes, sir.
All right. Well, based upon